So Sachin will debut on headlines today in a new avatar after 25 years of cricket. We can barely contain ourselves here in Headlines Today's studio, but I have to go across to Saurav first up. Saurav, an iconic partnership you had with him at the top of the order on field. How excited are you about starting a new partnership with the Master Blaster?
Yeah, definitely excited because, people have watched him on the field. They haven't heard him much when he was playing because as a player you don't talk much. It was the same thing with us. But once you're finished playing, people of India will actually get to know what Sachin Tendulkar thought during a World Cup, what he thinks about India's chances in the World Cup, and analyze some of the players in the dressing room which he's actually played with. So it's going to be an amazing storytelling opportunity, story listening opportunity for all the people who will be watching this World Cup very, very closely. For Headlines Today, I think they'll have to increase the time of the show because they had three people. Rajdeep, our very own favorite Rajdeep would join us, so 4, and now the Master Blaster, which is going to be the 5th one. So 20-minute show will not be enough. So we need a good half an hour, 40-minute show every time all of us are on stage.
Absolutely. We'll take that into account. Rajdeep, you've interacted with him in the run-up to his debut. What kind of an expert do you think Sachin will be?
Look, let me be very honest. During his cricket career, Sachin Tendulkar was generally a cautious man.
Yes.
He's not Saurav Ganguly, which is why Saurav Ganguly got himself into trouble because he was more tempted to say controversial things while he was playing cricket. Sachin, while he played cricket, was cautious. But I think over time he's not just matured. He knows now that he doesn't have the same burden that he carried while he played the game. So he can speak more freely, and I can tell you some of the insights that he has to offer are remarkable because anyone who's achieved that kind of greatness in the game has a lot of insight on the sport. A simple fact which will come in one of the programs is he believes that there's this bowler called Adam Milne from New Zealand who he says is going to be the next great fast bowler. He only saw him once. He said, I saw him once, I saw the action, I saw him clock 150 and I said this guy is special. Now I think that comes with someone who's played the game at the highest level and someone who's had the... I don't think Sachin would have said that so easily 6 or 7 years ago, but while he was playing the game. But now that he's not played the game, he's going to become like Saurav, a bit of a dada who's ready to say things as they come.
So alongside Dadagiri on Headlines Today, we'll have Sachin Giri on Headlines Today as well. Really, it's a match made in heaven. Saurav, Sachin together on Headlines Today throughout the 2015 World Cup. Saurav, when you first became a TV expert, it would have been a new experience for you. So as Sachin starts his new stint, what would be your advice to him? Should he be controversial as Rajdeep is saying?
No, I think Rajdeep keeps saying the wrong things about Saurav. I was never controversial. I just said what I saw.
I see. And what did you say about Greg Chappell, Mr. Ganguly?
He is such a dear friend
What
of
did
mine.
you say about Mr. Greg Chappell, Mr. Ganguly? Sachin Tendulkar said it after retirement. You said it while you were playing the game.
Yeah, because I was affected. He wasn't.
Okay.
Yes, but you did call a spade many times. And
no,
of course,
I think.
Yes, go ahead.
No, I think he'll be honest. He's honest to the game, and I think the best thing about Headlines Today and obviously our fellow channel Aaj Tak is that we talk cricket. We just don't get after somebody's back or criticize for the sake of criticizing. What the viewers get to learn from here, and along with Rajdeep and Borea, I think, and Nikhil, who's with us, who are a very important part of our entire coverage. I think what will come to the people of India is cricket, what India needs to do well in the World Cup, and what are the mind games, the intricacies of a cricket match as the World Cup game goes on. I think this is special. This is what people want to see because after a while people get bored and tired of the criticism, and that's what we are not here for. That's what our panel is not here for. Because we at the end of the day are cricketers. Rajdeep may be sitting in front of the television and one of the most popular faces on television, but deep down the heart, he's a cricketer because his dad was one of the great players of Indian cricket, and Rajdeep tried his luck till TV took him away from cricket.
Again, you're
where
getting
the
at
heart
me.
is at the right place.
My first class average 7 matches, 225 runs, average of 27. You have to go to Cricinfo.
Yeah, the problem was you didn't have a captain like Saurav Ganguly.
That's the problem. You're right.
They dropped you after 7 matches.
Okay.
I think that's the kind of insight that Saurav brings to our shows. He knows exactly what's missing or what someone needs. But Nikhil, in your experience, what's the most distinctive memory that you have of playing with Sachin?
Listen, I was very fortunate to be playing alongside Sachin, and of course, Dada, you know, he's captained me. We had a fantastic time. That one distinct memory, especially the 99 World Cup, you know, it's unfortunate that when his father passed away, he came back. You could clearly see, you know, the man was broken. But on the other side, you know, that whole responsibility, because at that time, there were only two guys literally carrying the Indian batting side responsibility on their shoulders. And Sachin flew back to play and, you know, play for India, to keep that hope alive that maybe he wants to win that 99 World Cup as well. That 140, Shivani, sitting there was one of the most fantastic innings I've seen. And after that, I saw Sachin bat like that against, of course, the Sandstorm innings, but against Henry Ulanga. You know, when he got him out, short pitch, the next man, this man was possessed. He says he's going to show this particular bowler what Sachin Tendulkar is all about. And he's one of the most humblest characters that you can come across. I remember, you know, getting onto the bus the very first time, donning the India colours, you know, a little shy. The first man sitting as soon as you enter the bus was Sachin Tendulkar. And, you know, he pushed his hand out and says, welcome to the side. My doors are always open if you need any sort of advice, anytime. Just feel free. You want to calm some nerves. That's the kind of man Tendulkar is.
I just want to add to that innings which Nikhil just spoke about. Sachin, in one of our programs which we've already recorded, does reflect about that innings. And I think it's one of those little times in the program where he does get emotional, because one of our programs that we've done is looked at all the World Cups through Sachin's eyes, his World Cups through his eyes.
And 6 editions of them.
And 6 editions of them. And I think Nikhil's right. That World Cup in 99, when he came back with his father, who he adored. I mean, his father was Sachin's great inspiration, and came back, did the funeral, and went to the funeral, and then came back and played that brilliant innings. And he talks about it and what he was going through in those days. So there's a lot of the personal of Sachin which is slowly coming out, and I think that's great, because I think, you know, up to now viewers have only seen this wall around this great batsman. Finally,
he's been almost a mysterious persona, despite being so much in the public eye.
He's someone who you sort of looked from afar, but you could never touch, because and Sachin always, you know, maintained this sort of wall of secrecy around himself. So I think that is slowly coming out. He's slowly becoming someone who's very accessible in an event like this. And in the last show, he actually, you know, first show he said, you know, how much time? The last show he said, we almost recorded for 45 minutes. He said, 45 minutes? We can even say something more. So he was ready to speak, you know, particularly about, very interestingly, what impact T20 cricket is going to have on this World Cup.
In fact, we are running his statement, the statement that he's given to Headlines today, talking about how this World Cup is going to be different. Of course, it's going to be different for him personally, being a TV expert for the first time, but also what he expects from this World Cup. Lots of things to watch out for, as Rajdeep has teased us with the shows. But let's listen into what the Master Blaster himself had to say on joining Headlines today on this journey.
मैं आज तक और Headlines today पे जो ये हम प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं, तो काफ़ी अच्छा प्रोग्राम है, इंटरेस्टिंग है. मैं पहली बार कर रहा हूँ, एक नया एक्सपीरियंस है मेरे लिए, और भी ज़्यादा स्पेशल बना क्योंकि वहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे यंगस्टर्स थे, सारे क्रिकेटर्स थे, बडिंग क्रिकेटर्स. तो उनके सामने जो मेरे पिछले 6 वर्ल्ड कप के एक्सपीरियंस जो है वो शेयर करने के लिए मौका मिला मुझे. खुश हूँ. और ऑब्वियसली अभी 2015 का वर्ल्ड कप बहुत ही कंपेरेटिव रहेगा, इम्पोर्टेंट रहेगा इंडिया के लिए, थोड़ा अलग रहेगा मैं समझता हूँ, क्योंकि थोड़े रूल्स चेंज हुए हैं. T20 क्रिकेट की वजह से बैट्समैन का बैटिंग करने का अंदाज भी बदल गया है. कुछ अलग अलग हमें शॉट्स देखने के लिए मिल गए. उस बारे में भी हमने इन प्रोग्रामों में डिस्कस किया. जस्ट एक्साइटेड हूँ कि ये प्रोग्राम हम कर पा रहे. और सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट मेरे गुड विशेस इंडियन टीम को ये वर्ल्ड कप जीतने के लिए. हम सिर्फ आज तक और हेडलाइंस टुडे की टीम नहीं, अगर पूरा देश आपके साथ है.